So your JPEG does not open in Photoshop or even in Premiere Pro when you're trying to edit your videos and you're wondering what to do. And when you open it, it's giving you this error. I also experience the same problems, especially when I'm dealing with images that I have downloaded from WhatsApp. So let's move on to Windows so that I can show you how to solve this problem. Now here I have two photos that I'm going to be using in this tutorial, and I'm going to show you two ways on which you can solve this problem. So let me try to load these images into Photoshop and see if it's going to load. So I'll just drag and drop on Photoshop and let me see if it's going to load. And you can see it's giving me this error that this cannot be opened. Let me also try this second image. Just drag and drop here. And you can see also it does not load. So let me show you how to solve this problem. And I'll show you in two different ways. So one, you'll just right click on this image and then say open with. And here is where a stupid software supersedes a professional software. So I'll open it with Paint. Then I'll go to File, Save As, JPEG Picture. I will rename this to her name, Idaya Charity. Then I will put it in the same folder that I had created some time back and say save. Then I will now try to open this now new image that I've just saved in Photoshop. So therefore I'll drag and drop it into Photoshop. And you can see the image has now loaded without any problem. The second method that I'm going to show you using this image, it's a software, a free software called Caesium. You can download it from online. It's here, I've already installed, so I'll open it so that I can show you the second way you can do it using Caesium. So once Caesium is open, I'll drag and drop my image into this space. And at this point now, I will choose to which percentage do I want my image to be compressed to. So for example, I can choose 60. You can choose between 50 and above, or even less. This software is so good, it compresses your images into smaller files, but then it does not lose their quality. Then I will choose where it's going to be saved. Then I will select that folder. It's in the downloads and say select folder. After that is set, I'll make sure that the format is JPEG. Then I'll compress. After that, when it's telling me now it's okay, just hit OK. Then minimize this and come back to my folder. Now you'll realize that it has just, replaced that image with the same name. Then I'll now drag this and drop to Photoshop. And now you can see it has loaded pretty good. And this is just simply how to now solve that problem. So I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also not only subscribe, but also turn on the notification so that you can be notified whenever I upload new stuff. Let's meet in other future tutorials. Till then, remember to keep creating.